Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the grilled squid with apple jam recipe in Heartopia. So in this new event, called Office event, you can cook any new special food. One of them is this grilled squid with apple jam. But first, you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock this recipe, it's very easy. First, just go to your Tidal Stove. You must use this stove. And then after that, just tap on your stove and then just choose this recipe, the original grilled squid with fruit jam recipe, like this. And then you can get this grilled squid with fruit jam from the NBC Massimo. And then after that, just complete all ingredients on here. You just need Japanese flying squid. You can fish the squid at the whale sea. And then you need the Seagrapes and Wakame that you can get it from the whale canyon. And then in here you need, and then in here just replace the jam with the apple jam, this one. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And okay, like this, just like that, you will successfully unlock this grilled squid with apple jam recipe. And the recipe will be added to your collections. This one. Okay, like this, it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.